Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brain It On. To begin, your main goal is to solve physics-based puzzles by drawing shapes. You'll use your finger as a drawing tool to create objects directly on the screen. These drawn objects will then interact with the game world according to realistic physics. Always take a moment to observe the puzzle's setup and existing elements before you start drawing. This initial assessment is crucial for planning an effective solution. The core of Brain It On involves using the drawing tool to create a wide array of shapes, from simple lines to complex polygons. Once drawn, these objects immediately become part of the puzzle, subject to the game's physics engine. This means they will fall, roll, and collide just like real-world items. Don't hesitate to experiment with various shapes and sizes. Sometimes, a small, heavy circle is more effective than a large, light line for solving a particular challenge. To effectively solve puzzles, always begin by analyzing the specific goal and the available space on the screen. Often, the simplest solution is the best. Try using basic shapes like lines or circles before resorting to more intricate designs. Remember that all drawn objects interact dynamically, meaning they can push, pull, or even balance one another. Thinking about these interactions will help you devise clever and efficient solutions for each unique challenge presented. Mastering Brain It On requires a blend of creativity and persistence. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and try unconventional solutions. Sometimes the most unexpected approach is the one that works. Every failed attempt is a learning opportunity, so analyze what went wrong and adjust your drawing strategy accordingly. For more challenging levels, remember that precise timing and careful placement of your drawn objects can make all the difference in achieving the puzzle's objective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.